I normally don't do this goddamn me. I normally don't do this goddamn me. But this is what I'm gonna do here. I'm about to show y'all how to make pancakes from scratch that actually look just like Denny's, IHOP, and etc. I normally don't get my secrets out, but this is one secret that I will get out to you guys. So check this out, goddamn me. And by the way, this is not no pancake batter that I bought. This pancake mix right here is made from scratch, and this is one of the ingredients besides the few that you see in here. I got an egg. I got a large egg in there, goddamn me. Other different spices. And this is the last one right here. Actually the main one right there. So my pancakes are made from scratch always. So give me a second, I'm gonna tune y'all back in to show y'all how to get them golden brown, just like you do when you go to these restaurants and you order a stack of pancake, goddamn me. Hold on, give me a second. See the best secret ingredient to good pancake mix? You really want them air pockets in there. That's what make a perfect fluffy pancake, goddamn me. I normally use my whisker, but it's in a dishwasher. But normally you're not supposed to really beat and stir your batter that long. You mix all your ingredients, the liquids, and then the dry ingredients, and you whisk it for really a few seconds. You let it sit up and kind of rise a little bit, a couple of minutes, and it'll rise. And you know, I don't want to get too much out, too many details out. But so I'm gonna sit this to the side for a couple of minutes. That's gonna be some good pancake mix right there, goddamn me. Made from straight scratch, using flour and all my other 9 ingredients, probably more that I put in here, goddamn me. The family requested some breakfast food today, so that's what the hell I'm doing, goddamn me. And yummy, 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 yummy. And as a chef that actually cooks in the restaurant and serves thousands of people during the week and really on weekends alone, especially on holidays, man, who else you want better in your kitchen besides chef? A good chef is myself, goddamn me. And actually, I'm gonna do some homemade chocolate chip pancake, goddamn me, because that's what my son would like to have. And I just really got the cheap bag, great value. I really don't care for chocolate chip pancakes. Although if you do make them right, that will taste like a chocolate cake, goddamn me. But yeah, so this bag is not really that expensive. Actually, this is a 12-ounce bag. There's a lot of actually chips in those. So I'm gonna make some chocolate chip, goddamn me, and some without chocolate chip. Alright, that's pretty much together how I like it. You have to understand, perfect pancake batter actually will make a good pancake. A lot of people don't understand that. And another thing I wanted to point out, goddamn me, having your temperature of the skillet on the stove. If it's an electric stove, I normally put mine on 5. This is really important what you have your temperature on. That determine your how your pancake will turn out too. And y'all do need to replace my drip pans, but hell, I ain't had time. I cook a lot, goddamn me, so I don't care if y'all laughing at my drip pans too, goddamn me. I bet you wouldn't be laughing if you ate one of these plates over here. Give me a second, let me tune y'all back out real quick. I gotta finish making this. So now that I got this skillet heating up, it's on 5. You don't want it too high, you don't want it too low. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pour the first cake, and everybody say, you always messed up that first one. That ain't always true too. It's just you gotta know what you're doing, you know. tune y'all back out for a second. And as you guys can see, that same pancake is on here. I just had to prepare my chips. I only got 2 hands, so the first one, I'm gonna go ahead and make this some chocolate chip just for my son. So just sprinkle a little of that in there. Homemade chocolate chip pancakes, everything from scratch. And I kind of want to do it now because you kind of want the chocolate chips to melt. You don't want to wait till the pancake halfway done. You see the bubbles, not the bubbles. It's part of my language, goddamn me. But you see the bubbles forming on the side. That's how you know that cake is pretty much getting done. And it's supposed to form on the outside and then in the middle. But as you can see, the chocolate chips that I pulled down in there is already kind of melted. You know what I'm saying? That's what you want. So you can have, you know, the melted chocolate chip all in there. You see that down there? That is a perfect pancake. Now, the secret I was telling you guys to make a golden brown pancake that look exactly like the restaurant when you order them in stack, this is the secret right here. I'm going to tell y'all. Not to put butter down on your skillet. That's why it's important to have your temperature right on your skillet. If you don't put butter down, first, we all used to put butter down thinking that was the proper way to cook your pancake. That's really not the proper way to do it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it is to some people, but if you want that professional chef pancake restaurant look, bam, that's it right there. Now, what you do, hold on, let me grab the butter. Give me a second, let me grab the butter real quick. God damn me. So we got that first one done. Now that it's done and on the plate, and now I rub it down with butter. And as you can see, that's real butter right there. Chinook brand again, I'm being cheap today, goddamn me. Soak that puppy down in butter. Hold on, I need my other hand, you guys. Hold on. Here we go now, goddamn me, with the second one. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Perfect, perfect, perfect pancake, goddamn me. Perfect. It's about to be straight butter. Look at that. Now that is a perfect pancake. A lot of time what I like to do, goddamn me, is start rubbing the batter on it before I pull it out. Soak this puppy on down with butter, goddamn me. On well thing, I'm about to take it down through there. This is a perfect pancake. Made from scratch. Even my batter made from scratch. My pancake batter. Homemade chocolate chip. Get over here. It's 2 of them. And here is the third one, goddamn me. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Here go number 4 right here, goddamn me. Yummy, 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 yummy. These are the perfect, best homemade pancakes you ever see and taste in your life, goddamn me. Now, nobody cook their pancake. Nobody cook none of their food like me, goddamn me. I'm a whole different breed when it comes to chefs. You know what I'm saying, goddamn me. That's why they hired me as a chef and made me chef manager, goddamn me. At the restaurant I work at. I run a whole kitchen by my damn self, goddamn me. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Beautiful pancakes. Beautiful stacks. Yummy, 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 yummy. Goddamn me. Look at that, goddamn me. We got 4 beautiful chocolate chip homemade pancakes right there, goddamn me. Yummy, 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 yummy. And this one right here is no chocolate chips in it. I'm finna start making plain ones now, goddamn me. My son got 4 already by itself. And I'ma have, damn, I ain't got enough pancake batter in here for me. Ew, I hate when that happens. I hate when I drop the spoon in the batter. I hate that. If I'm at work, see, at the restaurant, I just make I make the batter all over again, goddamn me. Because I think that is so gross. But I'm at home and I'm eating it anyway, goddamn me. This ain't gonna be enough pancake for a damn ant. Give me a second. Hold on, y'all. Goddamn me. What the hell? Done with the cake, goddamn me. Where this damn bacon at? I need to go to the damn grocery store. Get this damn bacon, goddamn me. Well, as y'all can see, goddamn me, this is my little bitty pancake. That's all the rest of the batter that I had, goddamn me. So I pulled the rest of the batter out the bowl, and there we go. Most people probably wouldn't even unload nothing like that, but I don't give a hell. Cause ain't nothing perfect, you know. I'm not. I upload it and show it as live in person. You know, I'm not about to make nothing look all pretty. Hell no, because like I say, we ain't in no perfect world. So you know, I'm not about to make it look dress nothing up and then upload it. I don't do that. I'm a chef, goddamn me. I'm bringing it right out how I look. You know, and that's how a lot of customers want it anyway. You know what I'm saying? For the most part. I mean, of course, you got a presentation is everything, but I'm at home, so I'm not worried about presentation. You know, my son told me something, don't show this one. Nope, I'm going to show them this one too. Still going to be straight butter. Look at it. So there y'all go. We got four chocolate chips down there, goddamn me. Then we got that one up, these two up here for me, and I'm going to have to eat that one too because that plain. But it's kind of pretty though, and I didn't even try to make it look like that. It's ugly and pretty at the same time, goddamn me. Alright, I'm about to start me some bacon and eggs too, goddamn me. So give me a second. Now take that back, y'all, goddamn me. Customers do want their stuff to look perfect, but since I'm at home, the point I'm making is I'm not worried about that, goddamn me. So that's why I put my little pancake up there on top, rather than trying to hide it. I bet it be good though. Wait for this bacon to get done. I'm gonna drop my eggs in this bacon grease because I love the flavor. That's the only way I eat my eggs. It's got to be cooked with bacon grease, goddamn me. And if y'all ain't never tried it out there, I recommend y'all try it, goddamn me. Oh my God! Next time I show up a cooking video, goddamn me, I'm gonna change out my drip pan. I promise y'all. But I cook so damn much, they don't never last long no way. If I buy some today, they'll be, man, they just don't last longer. I make it like I cook all damn day. My son eat more than me, goddamn me. 9 times out of 10, I'm cooking for him and my wife and my baby daughter. Let me straighten this bacon out, goddamn me. Give me a second. Yummy, 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 yummy on that bacon, goddamn me. Boy, I'm about to straight take it down to the on everything as always. Y'all already know what it is, goddamn me. Y'all already know what time it is, goddamn me. Bacon done. Oh yeah, I got grease every goddamn well because I'm trying to rush, honestly. I was in there watching TV. Tune y'all back in. Now I got the eggs and stuff all stirred up, goddamn me. This is my favorite part right here. Right here in that bacon grease, goddamn me. If y'all don't know, don't judge. This tastes so good when you cook your eggs in bacon grease. It give it that flavor like you ain't never tasted before, goddamn me. So get that on stirred up, goddamn me. Had me a nice breakfast meal for dinner tonight, goddamn me. And you get that charred bacon, leftovers, all in your eggs. Kind of like a mini omelet, goddamn me. You really don't have to put too much seasoning in your eggs. I just put some light pepper, and just a tad bit, a pinch of salt, a pinch of onion powder, and that's pretty much it because the flavor from the bacon grease gonna pretty much season these eggs by itself. So I didn't put too much seasoning in here, goddamn me. And the only reason I like putting a little pinch of onion powder, because like I say, give me that taste of a scrambled omelet in a way. So that's pretty much that. Man, this shit about to be straight yummy, 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 goddamn me. It's 10:43 right now, and I'm eating breakfast food, goddamn me, where I'm from. I got chocolate chips I see everywhere. Man, I promise you, every time my wife say I get done cooking, look like a tornado hit the plate. She ain't lying, boy. But that food be good as a motherfucker, though, on everything. On straight everything. It's about to be straight butter. I was gonna dice up some potatoes and slice them up and fry some golden buttery hash browns, but I don't feel like doing that right now. So all I'm gonna have right here is just some chocolate chip and regular pancakes made from scratch, some eggs. I might put some cheese in here, some shredded cheese maybe, and some bacon. And y'all know what I'm having to drink, goddamn me. Grapes, both color, strawberries, and I got some kiwi in there that I'm gonna blend all that up with it, with a 1/4 cup of milk, goddamn me, and a 1/4 cup of water, as I always have. And that's the healthiest thing you can ever drink. Well, I say one of the healthiest things. Damn, did I really just sit here and scramble up all these eggs while recording? I need to be trying to save some damn space. This is gonna be so butter. Cooked in bacon grease. Man, it's about to be straight butter. Look, you don't see no grease really nowhere in this pot. Because I done cooked it all in the eggs and cooked it out. But it's definitely gonna have that flavor like like no other. It's gonna taste like I got chips of bacon in these eggs. Watch. On me, on everything. Hold on, y'all. Ain't that a damn trip? My son that used up all the damn syrup. I let him cook. He ain't number 10 years old, but he be in here cooking too. So that's what I got to work with. But I really don't use sip when I got chocolate chip pancakes because it's already sweet enough. But here we go. Yummy, 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 yummy. Goddamn me. Let me go ahead and dig in. Goddamn me. Oh yeah, about to go down up in hell, boy. It's about to go down up in hell. And yeah, there's a little brown under there because I don't like raw pancakes. I don't do raw nothing. I don't like my meat raw. I don't like nothing raw. If it's raw, I'm throwing that shit straight in the trash. Let's see what this looking like though. That look like a chocolate cake, goddamn me. This is my wife's plate actually. I'm just tasting it. She gonna be pissed off too. I just want to taste the chocolate chips in it. Like I say every time. Take it like a goddamn chocolate chip cake. Mine's plain over here. Y'all see my little midget pancake up there? Put me some syrup on that right there. Homemade right here. Ain't nothing store about these pancakes right here. See what we working with over here on my plate. Oh, damn, I do got chocolate chip down up under there. Look at that. Nice and fluffy. Look how fluffy that pancake is right there. Ain't nothing about that pancake raw. Ain't shit about I cook gonna be raw. Y'all seen my pancakes from start to finish, goddamn me. The #1 chef, goddamn me. In Missouri, goddamn me. Hold on. Mine taste better than her. Not made both plates. Man, that motherfucker right there deserve 100 yummies. But I ain't got enough camera space to say it all. That's a damn shame. I'm going through both plates. Let's see what these eggs tasting like here, right here. Yeah, I see that grease up under there. That's good. I love grease. I'm a little nigga. I need to pick up some weight. I gotta go, y'all. It about to go down up in here though. And I ain't lying.